Soothing tones, understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, soothing tone. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you express feelings and experiences more accurately. So, let's dive into what soothing tone means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Soothing tone refers to a voice or sound that is gentle, calming, and relaxing. It's often used to describe someone's voice or the sound of music that makes you feel at ease. The key characteristics of a soothing tone include being soft, peaceful, and comforting. Examples: her mother's soothing tone always calmed her down. The soothing tones of the piano music helped him relax. Tone in communication is crucial as it conveys emotions and intentions. A soothing tone can be particularly important in situations where calming someone or providing comfort is needed. It's not just about the words you choose, but how you say them. A soothing tone can convey empathy, understanding, and care. 1. In stressful or upsetting situations, use a soothing tone to calm someone who is upset or anxious. 2. For relaxation purposes, when reading a bedtime story or guiding a meditation. 3. In everyday conversations, to show empathy or understanding, especially when discussing sensitive topics. Tips for using a soothing tone: lower your voice pitch, slow down your speech, use gentle and reassuring words. Parenting. Shush, it's okay, she said in a soothing tone, rocking the baby to sleep. Healthcare. The nurse spoke in a soothing tone while explaining the procedure to the patient. Customer service. I understand your frustration, sir, the representative said in a soothing tone. Understanding and using the phrase, soothing tone, can significantly improve your communication skills, especially in situations requiring empathy and calmness. Remember, it's not just about the words, but the way you deliver them. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English and enhancing your communication skills. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning tips.